and welcome to this video on Website Translator. The Website Translator integration is a powerful tool that helps you localize websites by automatically synchronizing content with Crowdin translation projects. It removes the need for manual content handling, making it easy to translate entire websites without technical skills or code changes. The Website Translator app works with many popular platforms. Here's a quick overview of how it works. To get started, you need a Crowdin.com or Crowdin Enterprise account. You will also need a Crowdin project that has already been set up. First, we'll install Crowdin Translator by visiting the Crowdin store. To start the integration process, we'll go to the Crowdin project. Then, click Integrations. From the list of available apps, let's find Website Translator. To begin, enter the URL of the website you want to translate. This will serve as the source site with the original content. In this tutorial, I will be translating my dummyghost.io blog. You can now scan your website to detect and import the pages that require translation. Or you can skip this step and complete it later. I'm gonna skip it for now. Before scanning your website for pages for translation, let's configure the integration. Go to Settings. In the first section, you can configure how your content will be translated. You can choose the application mode, which determines how the application scans your website content. Server-side is the default option. When using this mode, Crowdin will crawl your website and look for new content to translate. If you choose the client-side, then whenever you or your visitors open a web page and there is untranslated text, it will be sent to Crowdin. Here you can enter which CSS selectors to ignore. If there is content of the website page elements that matches the selector, then it will not be imported. Next, Paths filter. You can specify which paths to crawl. If not specified, all pages will be imported. Now, if we choose the client-side mode, we will have one more option available here, which is Instant Translations. How does it help? When untranslated texts are found in client mode, Crowdin automatically uses DeepL to translate them in real time before adding them to the project. This ensures users view the content in their language right away. To start using this feature, you need to configure DeepL. For that, enter your DeepL API key. After configuring this section, click Save. I'll stick to the server-side mode for now. In the next section, you can set the frequency for synchronizing and publishing your content. You can set both the sourcing schedule and the publishing schedule. And the last section here, language routing method. You can choose how the language will be specified in your website URLs. Done here. Let's move to the URLs tab and scan our website to detect and import pages to Crowdin. Click Start Scanning. Select the pages and click Import Selected. The next step is to publish translations. Go to the Home tab. In this demo Crowdin project, I have automatic machine translation configured, and I should be able to publish my machine translations right away. Done! And now I will integrate the language switch widget into my website. Scroll down a little and copy the code snippet. Now in Ghost.io, I go to the code injection section and put my code into the site's header. Similar code injection or sometimes an embed feature should be available in many online websites or page builders. If your website is built with more traditional CMSs, you might need help from your developers to put this code into your website. The code should be injected into every page that should be multilingual. Let's check our website now. Okay, the widget is visible now. Let's check if it works by switching the language. Looks great. That was the simplest way to do it. Now let me show you other features. Go back to the integration. Go to the Variables tab. Here you can create patterns with placeholders to replace similar strings. Let's say I want to add a pattern. You have to enter your pattern with placeholders in double curly braces. After I have added my pattern, I need to re-import the website and then publish the translation. Go back to URLs, select the pages, and click Re-import. Then Home and Publish. Let's check if the changes are applied to our website. Great, looks perfect. Now the Review tab. This tab only works in the client-side mode. So let's switch to the client side. I'll make sure to update the code snippet to apply the settings. So in this tab, you can find tags that were missed during the initial scan and appeared while visitors used your website. As my website has already been translated, I will add one more string to show it in action. Done! Let's visit our website as a user to encounter our untranslated string. Next, refresh the review page. And here it is. The string has already appeared here. I can add it to Crowdin for translation if needed, and then publish it. And the last tab here is the Logs tab, where you can view and analyze application logs from the past 2 months. And that's it. Now you know how to run this integration and take the most of its features. To learn more and start a free trial, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.